Hello everyone, we got an LG TV here.
And considering it is the House of Commons,
The sound exists, but there is no picture or it's flickering.
No, I'd make it higher, frankly.
If I got the torch,
other countries pay their members of parliament more than we do in most cases. They get far bigger budgets for their
see that there is a
to be able to
picture in the
facilitate
background,
work of their members of parliament.
but there is
And in
no
this country,
light.
we
So
seem
we're gonna try to fix this
resist
TV.
treating the people that run the
So we'll
country
take it on the bench,
thinking, you know,
and
private jet, for example, that
it's more likely
Boris
to be
Johnson
the
has, or that Liz
backlight.
Truss has as Foreign Secretary. They sit
And
there
we're gonna
attacking
fix
the
it. We'll see if we're gonna fix this
What a
TV.
pathetic country.
So
We're
stay
meant to be a
tuned in.
superpower.
So this is an LG. The model number is 42LF561V. So I'm going to open all the screws all around, and this one as well. Let's screw there and open the TV, and we'll start from there. So this is the TV inside. As you see, we have the power supply here, the main board, and the Tycon. I have checked the power supply in the back lid. It does exist using the multimeter, so that gives us that the backlight strips needs to be replaced. So next step is I'm going to remove the speakers and then all the trim all around, so I can access the backlight. So as you see, there is screws as well here, so all the way. Okay, another thing I need to take out is the flat cable supplying the screen, all of them, on the screws as well. Here, all this metal piece here needs to be taken out. So I removed the flat cable from here. At this stage now, we need to be gentle with this strip here, not to damage the ribbon cables here. So everything nice and gentle. So I'm going to remove these pads here. Okay. So after removing all the screws all around, so you can pop up this metal frame that holds the screen in place. Another very important tip as well is, once you are ready to lift the panel, make sure that you secure it with adhesive like this. It's hard to film, and so it's in place, so you're not damaging any flag, because they are very fragile here. Okay. So next step is to unclip all the clips here, like this one here, so you'll be able to lift the screen. But you need to be very, very gentle, because it's very thin, so otherwise you'll be end up with a cracked screen. So I have the screen lifted. I'm going to finish now to lift this, so I can lift this transparent panel, and the other panel is here. As you see, it's very thin, so just be careful with it. Also, when you lift in this, make sure that you lift all of them at once, so they are in that order. Okay, so I'm going to lift them there and put them over the screen there in the same order. As you see now, I lift the whole thing here at the same order, so when I'm assembling it, I put one at a time as I've done it. There is the bulbs here. The bulbs, as you see, there's a big burn there. One is missing, so I'm going to replace all of them. Now it's time to remove this paper reflector, and to do that you need to remove all the plastic bits. As you see, it clips in there, so and you twist that way. Same with the one, all of them. Here I have to take the power supply to access the clips here. Same with the main board as well. As you see them there, the plastic bits. So what you do is Go there. You lift this up and you push upwards. So I have all the plastic bits removed, so now you can access the strips that I'm going to replace. Now we got into it, so what we do is we just lift this up like that, same like that. We're going to remove the cables and hit. I'm going to hit this strip because it's glued. There is a glue underneath. So I'm going to hit it with a hair dryer and remove the strips and put the new ones, brand new. So I took off the first one, the one like this, that was glued in here. I'm going to put this one up. So, but before that, there is an adhesive here, so you peel it off and you stick it in there. Make sure that this goes in there, same with here, and then plug them together and the cable fits in perfectly. So the strips, they are all down, all of them, and all glued in, okay, plugged in as well. So the TV is plugged in, and so I'm going to turn on to make sure that all single LEDs are on. So turn on. So as you see now, all good. All right. So after making sure that all the strips are in perfect order as the old ones, I'm going to put back the everything in order as it was, just the reverse, and we'll try the TV at the end, okay? So I had all the plastic bits here holding this white reflector. I also sprayed here with white paint, so it has good reflection. So I put back the plastic tank and we'll see how the light is. As you can see here, I don't know if you can see it, but the light is nicely distributed on top. So put in now the screen and we'll test the TV. So the TV is plugged in. I have the ribbon cables as well attached to the screen, so I'm going to turn on the TV and there you go. Now she's working, so I'm going to hook it into the satellite receiver and see the picture quality. So as you can see, the TV is hooked into the satellite box and she's perfectly working.
He catches up with her and her new life in the wild on a new continent at 9. Now,
It's nothing like a happy end.
Take your seat with original performances.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.